Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to back up your Shopify store. So there are two methods which I'm going to show you in this video. The first one would be manual and the second one is auto. While downloading or backing up your manual, Shopify store, there are three major things which you need to remember while, backing up is theme, product and order. These three would make your Shopify store, right? Or any e-commerce store. So how you can download them or you can say back back up them. So you can just click on online store, your online store. You will see your theme over here. And here beside customize, you will see three dots. Click on that and just click on download theme. After that, it will send the theme on your email where you have created your Shopify store. Just click on send email. And after that, just click on products. And on the top right corner, you will see we have import, export, every single details over here. Just click on export and select all products. And after that, just leave it as it is, like export as CSV file. And after that, just click on export products. Once you click on that, they will also send, obviously, the email to your email where you have created your Shopify store. And the last one obviously is very similar to all of this. Like just click on orders and you will see the export file over here also. So once you're done with whole manual packing up or downloading your Shopify store, how you can easily back up automatically. So what you're going to do, just click on apps and click on all recommended apps and scroll down until you see this Shopify App Store. Once you click on that, it will open up a Shopify App Store and you can search Rewind apps over there. This is the paid app, just remember that, and it provides you 7-day free trial, so you can just check it out how it works. And if you scroll down, you will see what it provides you: automatic real-time daily and on-demand backups, restore multiple items at once. So there are a lot of stuff, and we have multiple premium plans are also available over here. We have $9 per month, $39 per month, $59 per month, and it depends how many orders you can back up monthly. So this is the way how you can back up your Shopify store. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.